Okay. Maraming excited na basketball fans sa paglalaro ni Bol Bol dito sa Pilipinas sa Philippine Basketball Association sa team ng TNT Tropang 5G. Ako, excited din ako and I'm very happy and congratulate TNT pati PBA dahil nagiging trending ang PBA dahil kay Bol Bol at sa no height limit. No, ganyan yung excitement na kailangan natin. Nakakatuwa kasi minsan, nagte-trending ang PBA 'pag negative ito, positive ito. Sa tingin ko, Bol will not only help TNT but will also help the PBA and alam ko marami yung gustong manood. Ikaw, gusto mong manood? At kung TNT fan ka, makinig ka dito ha. May mga nagko-comment, ibigay na kaagad ang trophy sa TNT, domination yan. Pati si Coach Shengyao, nabasa ko yung artikulo na unfair daw. Ito daw si Bol dahil machine gun daw siya, no? Courtesy of spin.ph. Pero ito masasabi ko, yes, magaling si Bol, pero may problema pa. At may sasabihin ako sa inyo na dapat nyong malaman dahil hindi 100% sure na magdo-dominate itong si Bol, lalo na pag marinig mo itong potensyal na problema na ito.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Ay, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Usapang Bol po tayo. Trending na trending si Bol sa social media. Lahat na ng pag-uusapan, lahat ng memes. Pero in short, at least alam natin na marami pong interested po dito po sa player na ito. Sino ba naman hindi magiging interested? From rumor, now it's a reality that we have a high-profile NBA player who have played for the Denver Nuggets, for the Orlando Magic, for the Phoenix Suns. Biruin mo yan. And he is still young at 26 years old. And not only that, no? Ito pong si Bol ay anak ni Manute Bol who is a NBA legend. Ngayon, maglalaro siya sa Pilipinas. Pangalan pa lang niya, sikat na, lalo na kaya yung laruan. And of course, one other thing na hindi natin pwedeng hindi makita, 7'3" ang height ni Bol. Ganong kahaba. Ngayon, just so you know, he has 7'6" wingspan. Kaya naman, and isa pa, he can dribble, he can shoot from the outside. And if you watch the highlights, man, mapapaisip ka, sobrang galing nito ni Bol pala, no? Parang may pagka-Wembenyama, may pagka-Kevin Durant sa highlights. Ngayon, here's the thing. And I want you to think about this and I want you to know that we are just, trying to deal with this as objective as we can. Now, if you watch the highlights, you see other things. If you watch the full game, then you will see another version of Bol. So let me tell you what it is. The first thing that we need to ask first, at 26 years old, still going up his prime, still very young, why suddenly the NBA or any NBA teams did not get him or renew him? So that's the question right there. Now, so we need to define what is an unrealistic expectation and the real situation. Now, alam mo, coming out of college, Bol is one of the players that is recognized as a unicorn. Ang unicorn kasi parang yan yung mga players na syempre makakaiba. No? Ngayon nga, hindi na unicorn. Dati, unicorn, Christopher Porzingis, those guys that can dribble, that can play from the outside, inside. They can do a lot of things. Pero may alien na eh. Mas matindi sa unicorn, yung Wemby. So, that was the marketing or that was kind of the parang pagkakakilala dito kay Bol. 7'3" that has an elite height, wingspan of 7'6", and he can shoot from the outside, no? And he can dribble. Talaga naman nakaka-excite. Even I think si Shaquille O'Neal, fan din ito eh. But here's the thing, you know. So I watched some of his games. Medyo limited kasi yung time niya. But I also research about the scouting and what's the concern kung bakit hindi na-sign sa NBA. Kasi kung magaling talaga to, bakit pinakawalan siya sa NBA? Diba? And one of the term that was that I see commonly on the research that I've done is inconsistent. Now, across his 6 seasons in the NBA, kailan ba siya na-draft? He was drafted 2019 and then 2025. So that is about 6 season nga sa NBA. So across that season, if we look at the average of Bol, it's not good. Sa Denver, he only played 7 games, 5.7. His best game was in 2022-2023 against with the Orlando Magic, where he started 33 games and played 70 games and averaged 9.9. But here's the thing: at his size, his rebounding is 5.8 only. So, unlike sina Wembanyama, sina Kevin Durant, they may be slim, but they're rough. So, kumbaga, 7'3 nga ito, pero yung strength is the question. That's the big concern right now is, what kind of physicality can he bring? Ang mga Filipino basketball players, maliit man sila, pero nakikipagbanggaan sila at makikipagbakbakan sila kahit gaano kalaki. Alam natin yan, no blood, no foul pa nga. And in the NBA, he struggled against big man. And of course, because of his frame na mapayat, injury prone. Kaya naman, wala siyang nakukuha na long-term contract. So, siguro he needed to develop more muscles and kumbaga mas lumaki pero makita mo na yung tatay, payat din eh. So, could be the same. But he definitely have the skill. So, yun na ang problema, inconsistent motor. But, nagagawa naman ang paraan niya kasi hindi naman ganun kadami ang laro sa PBA kumpara sa NBA. He's definitely got the skills. But what's the other concern that we have? In the NBA, some of the people would say, or scouts, that he lacks defensive effort. Pag pinanood mo yung highlights, maganda yung mga highlights. Pero yung defensive effort niya, it's passive and slow. And of course, again, like what I mentioned, yung rebounding niya was underwhelming talaga given his size. So, hopefully, Coach Shot and the team can, kumbaga, motivate. That's the thing, no? Kasi sa NBA, kailangan consistent effort ka talaga and you have to be reliable in both ways, offense, defense, in order for you to carve like a main role. Pero ang nangyari kasi naging role player ito si Bol. I mean, meron na siyang opportunity to carve his role pero mukhang kulang. So he has some quickness for his size, but NBA level is different and yung defensive instinct nga niya parang wala. In short, ang nakikita natin na potential issue is that the passion. Does Bol have the passion and the grit when he definitely got the skills, the shooting? So, yun ang pinaka tanong. But that was the NBA. This time around, it's no longer the NBA, it's the PBA. So what's the difference? What's the difference? It's basketball. Well, the difference is, here's the difference. In the NBA, mas grabe yung mga players doon, elite level. Now, I'm not saying PBA is not elite. I'm just saying that PBA is not NBA and we're smaller. So definitely, Bol is gonna bring height. And, even though sinabi natin yung strength niya is not that strong in the NBA, the PBA could be different. So I think he will score a lot. He can score a lot. He's gonna be playing a lot more minutes. He should be playing, but the question is, yun, titingnan natin yung condition niya. That's the one thing that we need to worry. How many, ano yung niya, minutes niya. Again, there's no question sa tingin ko if he can dominate or not. That is entirely up to him. And so I think he can if he want to, if his heart says so, and if his physical ability allows him, because he certainly has the skills to do that. So, yun lang ang problema natin. Ang nakikita natin sa mga scouts, sa mga reports, medyo yung passion and lazy defense daw ang nakikita nila. And I rewatched the games. Again, the highlights is great. Sobrang nakakatakot. Pero the risk is medyo kasi timid eh. O mga nonchalant, sabi nga nila, itong si Bolbol. So, that's the big question. Hopefully, mabigyan po ng enough motivation itong si Bolbol to play and try and dominate and really play hard. So, in essence and in summary, I just wanted to say, Bolbol can dominate if he wants to. Dalawang bagay. If he is that condition, physically, and yung heart niya, yung passion niya sa laro, because that was certainly some of the concern. Yung body language daw niya, kasi nakita ko sa mga ibang report, parang even though siguro ganun lang talaga siya, kasi nga yung parang walang gigil, eh kilala ko ang TNT, grabe sila sa passion. So I hope ma-instill nila yung passion kay Bolbol para tumigas, no, at ipakita na kaya. So TNT is a scary team. Given the situation na itong si Bolbol will have that passion and that fitness or physical ability 100%. So, pero yun, watch out for that. Yun ang concern natin. Kung lazy or yung body language niya, that's gonna be a problem. Let me know what you think, guys. Will Token Text be the champion? Can Bol Bol dominate? Now, don't just look at the highlights. Now I tell you the truth. Let me know your comment as well and your opinion on this.